start tearing stuff
No. I think what
You got one valve cracked down there at the bottom.
Yeah. Basically, the way it's set up right now is it's gone through a backwash right now, to where water. Oops. What's happening now is water is coming through, and it's coming through this way, and it's going back out this tube right here. So this is the way. I'll show you a. Let's see. Can you hold that just for a minute? And what I'm going to do here.
Yeah, this is just like a miniature version to kind of show you on a small scale.
Okay, and then we're going to go here. I think it's got to go this way. And then we're going to close here.
Going to build a taller too.
So now what's happening is actually the water is going this direction. So the water's coming up here, going back down in here, going through the anthracite, the sand, and the gravel, and then this is what's coming out of the filter. And I may have this on too much. So, and what we're using here, we're actually using flocculated water, so water that has flock in it. So we could try to show you that that water is being, as the water goes through here, the flock is being captured here and stopped in this area, and then it's actually being filtered, and then the water is being brought down here. That would be cleaner water, and that would be going out to our reservoirs. Yeah, so I got it. Oh, this one here? Well, right now you need that to kind of, water has to keep going through it. There has to be some way for the water to get out. Okay, now when we do a backwash, after this filter has run for, let's say 24 hours, what we have to do is a filter backwash. So to do a filter backwash, I've got to open this up a little bit. I've got to close this. Basically what I have to do is I have to force water back up
in that media.
The other way. So what's happening now you got the water that's going in reverse. It's going through the anthracite, or the sand and the gravel, and it's going through the anthracite.
So good.
Let's see, I can probably get it just a little bit more. And see, what you're trying to do is get this to expand. That's called bedded expansion. And there's things called like the backwash rate and all that. But what you're trying to do is get that anthracite and that sand to kind of move up. And you get anything that's caught in there. We're still experimenting with this on how it works, so hopefully I won't lose all that anthracite. But you can see right through here the water's actually going through it, going through the anthracite, and anything that would have gotten trapped in there is basically being forced out. So we were trying to come up with a good visual to where folks like you that hadn't seen stuff like this in real life would actually be able to see something. So if you can't see real good, you guys can come up this way and take a look. Okay.